Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unplug your Hyundai Kona EV. First, always ensure your vehicle is completely powered down before attempting to disconnect the charging cable. This crucial step prevents potential electrical issues and ensures your safety. Next, you'll need to locate the charging port release button, typically found inside the car. Familiarizing yourself with these initial steps will make the process smooth and secure every time you charge. Once inside your Kona EV, firmly press the charging port release button. You should hear a distinct click, which confirms the locking mechanism has disengaged. This sound is your cue that the cable is now ready to be removed. It's important to ensure the cable is truly unlocked before proceeding to avoid any strain or damage to the port or cable itself. Take a moment to visually confirm it's free. With the charging port unlocked, firmly grasp the handle of the charging cable. Gently pull the cable straight out from the port. It should slide out smoothly without resistance. Remember, avoid twisting or yanking the cable forcefully, as this can damage both the cable and the vehicle's charging port. A steady, direct pull is all that's needed for a safe and effective disconnection. After successfully unplugging, always replace the charging port cover securely to protect it from elements and debris. Then, store your charging cable properly, coiling it neatly to prevent kinks or damage, ensuring it's ready for your next charge. And hey, while you're thinking about keeping things fresh, life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your ride smelling fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.